The gold is returning back to the bullish mode. Yesterday the price formed a strong bullish candle starting from the area of support for 105.86. We can see that, and the price has reached the next resistance level for 188.33. We can see that the price yesterday formed a first retrace back down to the support level and then continued to rise in value in a pretty strong bullish candle after indecision, small indecision candle the day before that. I have mentioned yesterday that I am expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels, but before that it needs to make a bullish breakout, and we can see that yesterday the price formed a bullish breakout easily, continued to rise in value, where the price had issues going above 4145.86. We can see the price is stuck for 2 days inside this range area and finally made a bullish breakout. Since yesterday, what we can see in the morning, the price was trying to move first of all down below this area of support. We can see that 4105.86, the price was trying to reach lower levels but unsuccessfully, and then finally the price had made a bullish pin bar, not very good one because it was not created right here at the support level. It has been formed slightly up in between this area of resistance and this area of support, and then the price continued to rise in value. If we take a look on here on the 1 hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved yesterday. Since the morning, we can see how the price behaved. In the morning, when I have made the analysis, the price was around this area here, around 4124.78 as support level, and it was heading down to reach the support level. The price has reached the support level and then continued to rise in value. We can see that when the price formed this bullish breakout here above this area of resistance 4124.78, the price was targeting this area of resistance, and the price has reached that target after several hours trying to make a bearish breakout but unsuccessfully. We can see that here the price was forming this small bearish breakout, but the breakout was not happening, and the price has formed a bullish small candle, a bullish pin bar. A small one, but we can see after that the price continued to rise in value, reaching higher price levels. What we can expect today? First of all, on the daily time frame, I can see the price is trying to reach higher price levels. We can see that the price formed a bullish candle above this area of resistance, which is a bullish breakout, and we can see the price has returned back down today, reaching again this area of previously resistance. Now it is acting as a support and it is targeting higher price levels. First of all, the first target today is 4248.85. So this is the target that I am expecting, and I also have shared this information with the traders inside the premium analysis. The bullish breakout targeting the price level around this area of resistance. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see the bullish breakout has been formed above the daily resistance level, now returning back down, testing as a support, and then we can see continuing to rise in value. The next, what I have mentioned, is 4246, and we can see that 4235 is a small resistance in front of the price where the price could stop. Let's zoom out a little bit. 4246 is around this area here, which is also a small resistance level, which is visible on the daily time frame, but we can see on the 4 hour time frame much more clearly. This is the resistance where I'm expecting the price will reach first. After that, I'm waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout, which will open for the price to reach higher price levels, and then it is the first one around 4266.64, which is a small resistance, and then the daily resistance level right here. What I can see here on the 1 hour time frame, let's zoom out a little bit more again. Let's do this so we can see everything. 4266, we can see that 4260 is the also resistance level after the price forms a bullish breakout above the 4 hour time frame resistance level at 4235. We can see where the price could go. It could go also reaching the area around this area, which is 4266. We can see that where these candles has reached at the top and then returning back down. So these are the levels that I'm expecting the price will try to reach today, especially because we can see that the price is forming a bullish breakout and especially strong bullish candles. We can see in the previous hour, this bullish candle has overcompensated all of these candles, which means that this is still strong bullish momentum that is pushing the price higher. So I'm expecting the price will reach higher price levels. So for now, today I'm bullish oriented, and if you would like to receive these premium updates, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed.
If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!